So guys, just collecting bugs for those birdies over there. And just going to the greenhouse to show you something. Just got to teleport. And now there we are. And you see that bug over there? Now look at that thing. Just looks like the one bug we saw at elementary school. Catch it? Now. Got it now! Wee! Now, since we got it, we can finally go. So teleport now. And there we are. Now what we're gonna do is just, whoa, sliggity. Oh, that bird coming here. I'll just get that thing. Now that we've given it to the bird, say goodbye to the crickets. Bye. Oh, that bird almost attacked me. Hey, bird.